Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make Alfredo cheese sauce. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need 1/2 cup of unsalted butter and 1 cup of rich heavy cream. Don't forget 2 cups of freshly grated Parmesan cheese for that authentic flavor. Also, have 2 cloves of minced garlic, a pinch of nutmeg, and salt and pepper ready to season your delicious sauce. Now, let's start building that incredible flavor. In a saucepan, melt 1/2 cup of unsalted butter over medium-low heat. Once melted, add your 2 cloves of minced garlic and sauté for about 1 minute until fragrant. Then, slowly pour in 1 cup of heavy cream, bringing it to a gentle simmer. Remember, we want to avoid boiling the cream to maintain its smooth texture. This is where the magic happens. Gradually whisk in your 2 cups of freshly grated Parmesan cheese, a little at a time. Keep stirring continuously until all the cheese is fully melted and beautifully incorporated into the cream. You'll notice the sauce thickening to that perfect, luxurious consistency. Finish by adding a pinch of nutmeg and season with salt and black pepper to your liking. Your homemade Alfredo cheese sauce is now ready to enjoy. Serve it immediately over your favorite hot pasta, like fettuccine, or drizzle it over steamed vegetables for a delightful side. A sprinkle of fresh parsley or a little extra Parmesan cheese makes a wonderful garnish. This sauce is truly best when enjoyed fresh, but any leftovers can be stored in an airtight container for up to 2 days.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.